What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, yesterday I put out a tweet saying, well, I just did something today with XRP. And I know a couple of people in the comment section were like, yeah, I ended up buying some XRP today as well. I ended up, getting a little bit more. I have strong faith in XRP. Well, I did a little bit more than that because you know that I believe in this play. I love this play, and I think that becoming an XRP millionaire is what I want to have guaranteed to me. And I think that's something that I have now given myself. Is it like a true 100% guarantee that that's going to happen? No, because anything could happen and I could decide to sell everything right in the beginning, but it does give me that opportunity to become an XRP millionaire. And I will talk about that in maybe a full previous video, but I want to talk about what I did with XRP today and everything else that we can. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon at Perry8K. You can follow me over there. Also, make sure you check out my link for Margex down below if you guys are interested in trading on Margex, leverage trading. If you're interested in that, it honestly is a great platform. I've had success with it. These last couple of days hasn't really been, or the last day hasn't really been the best time in Margex as I've been kind of long-term trading versus the short-term trading. But some of them did get stopped out for smaller gains than what they were, and some of them got stopped out for losses, especially ones that I made more recently. So I want to talk about that as well as talking about XRP and what I have done with it and how I actually have gained a lot more. And I'm going to talk about the number that I have, which I guess I've already spoiled it. I now own 60,000 XRP, giving myself a huge opportunity in this play. Now, let's go ahead and dive into this and look at the price of XRP at the time of recording, which right now it is 6:21 a.m. Things may drastically change. You saw what happened yesterday. Things drastically changed in a matter of hours. It could change in a matter of minutes. So we could see a different price. When you're looking at this video, you could see a price of 70 cents by now, or you could see a price of 40 cents again. It could be stair stepping on the way down. But the point is that it gives you this opportunity to buy lower and own more of that position, right? Same thing goes for like real estate. If you wanted to own more real estate, if you find the market that's diving, there's a lot of people that are like, yeah, this is an opportunity. I'm buying up real estate, right? Same thing goes for crypto and stocks and everything. So if we look at XRP, it currently stands at a 49-cent price. It's 48.8, and it's down 9.79% on the day. You can see here that it says that I have $17,440 worth of crypto in my possession. I did not add that in there because I do plan on maybe live streaming today, and if I can get a live stream out, then I don't want to have this video spoiled at all. So I most likely will just leave that how it is until we get to a point where one, everything is transferred over, and two, the live stream or the video is up there. So probably in the next live stream you'll see it updated. But it currently sits at a $26.9 billion market cap with $4 billion worth of volume. This is the highest volume to market cap ratio that I've seen within XRP in a while. Seeing it at 17 volume to market cap ratio, 17% is amazing. But it's also in comparison to the market cap that has dropped drastically from a 32 or 33 billion dollar mark down to a 26.9 billion dollar mark. Now we saw this dive all the way down to a 43 cent price. And once I saw that, I was like, this is an opportunity, especially as things were getting stopped out for gains in Margex. I was like, this is a huge opportunity. So I did end up losing on the XRP play that I put in recently. I think I put it in on camera, and I lost $100 out of that $400 that I had there because I got stopped out at a $100 loss, which did suck. But I did get stopped out at that point, which meant I saved some money that's there. I still lost $100, as well as I lost money with Jasmine Coin, or I gained money with the Jasmine Coin investment that I had. But then all the other Jasmine Coin investments, I did end up losing money on the more recent ones there. But then every other one, like Dogecoin, like Litecoin, all of those other plays, I got stopped out for gains of like 100 and 150 and $200. So altogether, I gained quite a bit, but I did lose an opportunity. While I had $1,000 or $2,000, it was down to like hundreds of dollars that I had in orders. So now, as you can see here, if I go over to my portfolio, what I decided to do is now I have $4,119 in Ripple. All of that got consolidated into Ripple at a low price, into XRP at a low price, because XRP was at 43 cents. So I said, okay, all of these different positions that I collected off of, that I had extra gains off of, I decided to even throw the tether that I had in there and threw that all in on XRP at 43 cents. And it recently has risen to 49 cents. So as I did that, it went from $3,300 or 3,500, something like that, up to $4,119. So right now, even though I may have lost on some of those plays, I still now gained a lot more with the money that was transferred into XRP that's there. So now I have this XRP, which is 8,000 XRP, that I'm now deciding to, I'm going to throw over to Coinbase. Now, with that being said, I also decided to buy more XRP on Coinbase. And I thought there was a huge opportunity at these levels to be able to buy 10,000 without spending $5,000. So I bought 10,000, and I also wanted to round it up. So I said, you know what? Because this is 8,000, I wanted to round it up and go, let's bring this up to another 10,000. So I needed to buy another 2,000. So over on Coinbase, I also bought another 12,000 XRP. And the day before that, I bought a little bit of XRP. So I ended up getting myself up to 40,000 XRP. And then I wanted to get up to 50,000 XRP, and I might as well get to 52, so that when this 8,000 is transferred over from Margex, I now have 60,000 XRP in my possession, which I think is phenomenal. Obviously, not everybody is able to have the opportunity to purchase that much, but I could have spread it to different places. I could have spread it to crypto.com. I could have spread it to Solana. I could have spread it to, Teller, and Teller's at a $52 price. It was all the way down to like a $40 price. So I could have spread it somewhere else, but I saw an opportunity in buying some more XRP and giving myself the larger chance to become an XRP millionaire. You saw some of my videos and how much you do need. A lot of people believe you only need 10,000. You only need 10,000 XRP to become an XRP millionaire, meaning that I will hold 10,000 as we get into the later stages of this, so that 10,000 XRP can become $1 million. Now, will I probably hit $1 million before that? I honestly only need to hit maybe $50 or $40 in order to get to that point. But we'll see. I'm excited to see exactly at what point do I hit $1 million. And it's just amazing, right? It just gives me that opportunity to get there, and I wanted to give myself that opportunity. And some people are saying that, oh, well, you have massive gains in there. I'm buying XRP at every stage. I bought it 65 cents, I bought it 60, I bought it 55, I bought it 50, I bought it 43, I bought it 30 in the beginning. So I will buy XRP at anything below maybe a level of 75 cents. So I'm looking to buy up as much as I can to give myself that huge opportunity to make something big of what this will be. So again, I now have 25,000, actually more is going to be transferred over, so about $29,000 worth of XRP. If I could truly hold 100,000 XRP, that would be a game changer for me. I feel like XRP is my play, and if you're looking for me to be any type of a maxi, it has to be an XRP or CRO maxi. Like, that's just how I am, and it's just been all that position. Let me know what you think about this. I know I don't want to sit here and seem like I'm rubbing in anyone's face that I'm buying up different positions, but as I took money from different exit plans, I always store some on the side because you never know what's going to be a low point and if you're going to have any type of buying opportunities. And this was one of those things. So as I bought a total of 12,000, 16-ish thousand, maybe 15, maybe 15, 15-ish thousand of XRP. Is that dollars? Five, that's not right. 12, 11, or $12,000 worth of XRP. I feel fantastic about where that has gone because it has risen because I bought it at 43 cents versus being at 49 cents right now. And there's always a chance that it could continue to come back. I still do have a little bit more money to, throw around, but I don't have a crazy amount of money and I'm trying to figure out what's the best play to get. But I know that I'm wasting time right now in not buying these plays while they're at their lowest point possible. So anyways, let me know what you think about XRP. Did you buy any XRP? Did you buy any positions during this pullback? But if you could, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.